What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have got to get the front clip pulled off this 1978 Ford F100. We got a lot of work to do. I believe I have the motor and the transmission sold. So today it is paramount that we get this front clip pulled. I'm gonna give you guys a quick overview of what the engine bay looks like now versus what it's gonna look like when we pull the front clip. All this rust right here is from the hood. That's why I was saying that I don't believe I can use that hood. Everything that's attached to the fenders has to be disconnected. The battery needs to come out. Heater core hoses, radiator hoses. This front core here is gonna stay intact with the front clip. So we gotta get pulling some stuff out so we can get this front clip off today. So hopefully next weekend I can sell this motor and transmission and move on to the frame of the truck. All right, guys, I pulled the whole truck into the garage. Look, always check the radiator. Even if you think there's nothing in there and there hasn't been anything in there in a long time, check it anyways. I pulled that bottom tube and boy, what a mess. So, hey, at least it looks good. At least it's not rusty water, so that's a good sign. I'm actually kind of happy about that, but always check it. Bada bing, bada boom.